we're getting ready to go. We're packing everything up. Where are we headed next? The Cloud Forest?
Cloud Forest.
We're headed to the Cloud Forest next. I am loaded down with bags. Chris has already taken the first batch of bags to the car, so I'm taking some stuff to the car to help out. He still has to roll my big luggage. There's the pool. This is gorgeous. Here comes Chris. He doesn't even know I'm walking towards him. I got these bags, and then there's just the rolly bag, but if you'll do one last check of the room, just to...
Okay, I'll meet you in the lobby.
Yeah, I'll meet you in the lobby.
Pink fluffy unicorns dancing on rainbows.
Check out this awesome table. Look at how cute. It's all engraved. It's so cute. We were thinking maybe they make this every couple of days or so. Like, it's always so fresh. This is definitely... Yeah, because see, look. These look like they're starting to die just a little bit. We're leaving. Alright, we're leaving now.
It's like... Don't jump! Don't jump!
That's a hotel place. That's a hotel place. So far, everything has been awesome.
I've had a good time.
Me too. I've had a great trip so far.
It's kind of neat moving from place to place, right?
Yeah, it's like the only way to do it. I don't understand how people just stay in one place the whole time and then say, oh yeah, I went to such and such country. Okay, but you didn't see shit. Like, you went there, congratulations, you got your passport stamped, but you didn't see shit. You didn't experience anything. You don't know anything about the culture because you saw one part of like a place. That's like somebody going to Ohio and saying, oh yeah, I've been to the United States. The United States is blah 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 and forming an opinion. Like, there's how many other states? Like 50? So...
That's why I would hate a cruise. Like, oh,
yeah.
You're in like a giant mall that you're stuck in.
You only see what they want you to see.
And then you get off and you're in like the tourist trap.
Yeah.
And like you don't have enough time to get out of the tourist trap, really.
Yeah.
You just go to like the Americanized place, you know, the...
Place where they speak English.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Freaking Margaritaville or whatever. Like, oh, Margaritaville, they have one of them by me. Let's go there.
Yeah.
You know, you go to Margaritaville, they charge you a shit ton of money for some freaking margaritas. Like,
yeah.
You get hustled into buying some cheap freaking stuff overpriced, and then you get back on the ship with a bunch of other assholes.
Yep. Yep, pretty much exactly like that.
And you're back in the freaking mall. Like, I think of a cruise as a mall.
Yeah.
Like a mall.
In 200 meters, turn left at Camino Viejo El
This is a
Pilon.
gorgeous road.
Beautiful country.
Oh, it's such a beautiful country. All these people have their cows.
No, I got...
Moo cow. He's drinking. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. The mommy's cleaning him. Oh my gosh, that's the cutest thing I ever saw. Oh my gosh. That's so awesome. Look at, this is where they live. We were driving down this beautiful road. Look at all the beautiful like mountains and stuff. The countryside here is just phenomenal. Oh my gosh, there's a cow right here. I didn't even see him. All I saw were his buddies. Oh, did you see this one that's right by the gate? I didn't see him. I just saw the baby feeding. Oh, it's so freaking cute. That was so cute, the baby drinking. Yeah, it was the cutest thing. I love animals. I feel like I've pretty much seen everything here. Like now we're driving through like farmland, like flat, kind of flat farmland, semi-flat. Like we went through like big mountains and now like, I don't know, like everything was all tropical and now it's all kind of like, things are a bit dead and brown and out of place, but this must be like the farm area, like the country or something.
In 400 meters, slide right onto Carretera Interamericana.
We're headed right into the storm, huh?
Looks like it.
Alright, I've been wanting to try this chicken place ever since we went to the airport. So I ordered some wings and I ordered a sandwich. We got it to go. It was $4. It was $4 or not, yeah, it was of their money. It was 4.600 of their money.